A very good afternoon to all present here. We welcome you to this Oman Mega Vocational session. And today we have with us our resource person, Ms. Veena Jaradi. She's from India. She's a freelance jewelry designer. She's been working in this field for more than 10 years. Jewelry designing has been her favorite hobby all time, and now it has become her profession. She makes lovely jewelries, which I have already shared in the group. She is inspired by herself. She is her own inspiration, and her family is of a great support to her so that she is pursuing this hobby as a profession. Really, it's a blessed moment. Her specializations are in natural stone jewelry, elegant flower jewelry used for different occasions like marriage, birthdays, and many more. She's been designing with different wires like brass, copper, German silver, which goes unique in itself. She has conducted different workshops at various designing institutes, and she's been associated with Craft Roots, Essence, and many such organizations. Recently, she conducted a beautiful workshop for, as I mean, this vocational training workshop, which we did for Indian community also, and that was really amazing. So I wish you all a very beautiful learning today and welcoming you all. And I welcome our resource person, Ms. Veena Jaradi. And over to you now, Ms. Veena. She will be demonstrating certain jewelries. And if you have any doubt, you can either put it in the chat box or you can unmute yourself and feel free to ask her. Over to you, Ms. Veena.
Hello, everyone. My name is Veena Jaradi. Now I start with wire and flowers jewelry. These are tools for using cutter and pliers. This is a round pliers. I use 18 gauge wire for making earrings. First, from the beginning, I fold it like this. Then I am using round plier for making like this. Make a hole round. See. Now, from here, look at this. In the end, I'm making again one round, small round. So look like this. And behind, this is a stud. Now I'm using one pastel color flowers from this center. See. And twisting. और इसको ये चुभे नहीं इसलिए इसको यहाँ से प्रेस कर देंगे. थोड़ा बहुत हिंदी होगा.
No problem. We are watching also, so no worries.
Okay, and this is a pollen. So I am using this from bottom and twisting from this side. Again I press ताकि चुभे नहीं कहीं से वायर. and another pink rose flower I'm putting here. So इसको भी यहाँ से twist करके bend कर देंगे. So the whole earrings is ready. दिख रहा है ना proper?
Yes, can you move to your left side? It is little bit glaring.
No.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So you all can
Abhi?
see, no? Yes, now it is clear.
Okay. So ऐसे ही second earring इसके opposite रहेगा. इसमें किसी को doubt है पूछने में? मतलब कुछ समझ ना आया हो? Anybody have any questions?
Any doubt in this particular jewelry? Please, you can unmute yourself and ask.
And this flower is ready-made, no?
Yes, this is the mulberry paper flowers and it's ready-made. This
You
one is
can
Poland.
you can order the flowers from Miss Veena also. I will be sharing her details in the end.
Yeah, okay.
And this flower jewelry goes from like wedding, birthdays and anything. मतलब whatever you want to wear, any occasion you can wear. मैं किसी को डाउट है तो फिर दूसरा चीज सिखाऊं कि यही कंटिन्यू करूं इयरिंग.
Any doubt? Do you want her to repeat this? Please feel free to ask.
दूसरा स्टार्ट करूं?
You can proceed, I think.
अभी आज I think 1 hour ही है तो.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you please repeat? Sorry.
हाँ. Again I'm okay. Same repeat करती हूँ. No problem. See, taking this type of wire from beginning, just twist like this. See, ऐसे मोड़ना है आपको यहाँ से, तो ये अपने कान का स्टड हो जाए. फिर यहाँ से राउंड लिया, इस तरह से. Again twisting the whole round like this. Now I'm just cutting. In the end, one more round I'm taking like this. See. So the whole earrings look like okay. यहाँ से सेंटर में से मैं फूल की डंडी डाल के उसको नोट करती हूँ. 1 minute. See. Like this. In the end, I am using Poland. Poland is look like this. So in the last round, I am using Poland's and her stick going from behind this flower and I am twisting from this side. तो उसका यहाँ से इस तरह से इसको ट्विस्ट करके ये एज कट कर दिया. और यहाँ से मोड़ दिया। अभी सेंटर में से एक और फूल लिया, उसको भी घुमाया, अगेन सब चीज को अच्छे से प्रेस करना है ताकि कहीं से चुभे नहीं। Now it's clear? Hello?
I hope now it is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, अभी मैं आपको now I'm just showing flower hairband for kids. This flower hairband like you can wear in neck, necklace also, हाथों में भी बांध सकते हो. It's a multi-purpose. So I am making this right now. See, these are अब ये जो बुके में फ्लावर्स होते हैं ना, घर में लगाते हैं, वो मटेरियल है. मीन्स आई लाइक कपड़ा, क्लोथ्स. These are clothes flower. See. You have to take like whatever colors or whatever things, like you can take ऐसे पत्ते for looking beautiful. See, this is I think plastic material, but इसका look अच्छा लगता है. See, इस तरह से. अब इन सबको इकट्ठा करके these are flowers के लिए ही ये रिबन्स आते हैं जो इसके ऊपर हम लगाते हैं. यहाँ से ऐसे गोल ट्विस्ट करते रहना है अपने को. और ये सारे एजेस एक साथ हम कट कर लेंगे यहाँ से. One minute. और इसको लास्ट में ग्लू से आप चिपका दें, अदरवाइज ऐसे प्रेस करने से भी ये थोड़ा स्टिकी मटेरियल होता है तो चिपक जाता है. इट्स लुक लाइक दिस. ऐसे 2 टाइम्स में 2 बंचेस बनाएंगे. वन मोर. Again using same green color tape.
This green tape is normally it's like a little bit like a cello tape only. It is already has gum in that. So
Yes.
So it gets stuck very nicely. And here you get it in any of the stationery shops, you get these colorful tapes. And green why she's using because for the natural look.
Yeah. See. ये ऐसे प्रेस करने से ही चिपक जाता है. I think this strip in every mall you can see. इसी को हम यूज करेंगे इसके अंदर से. बेल्ट बोलते हैं इसको.
Okay, okay, okay.
ऐसे ग्लू गन लगा के इस तरह से हो जाएगा. इसके दोनों बीच में यहाँ से सेंटर से थोड़ा काट रही हूँ ऐसे सिंपल. यहाँ से भी इसके अंदर ये सेम स्ट्रिप इसी के अंदर एक यहाँ से जहाँ से कट किया है like this. Now I am putting here और इसको यहीं से खींच लेंगे. तो ये जो होलो जगह है इसमें से हम कोई भी कलर की रिबन डाल सकते हैं यहाँ से. और ये जो स्टिक है यहाँ से ये हम काट लेंगे. तो इट्स लुक लाइक जैसे मैंने पीछे इसमें से रिबन डाला है कलरफुल. तो आप कोई भी कलर का रिबन इसमें फिलअप कर सकते हैं. सी एवरीवन इज क्लियर?
Yeah.
So this can be used as a choker, as a hair band, or as
You
a
can like this. Kids can wear. Yeah, ऐसे even in hand they can use. You have to just change ribbon sizes like this. And small girls can wear in also kamar patta. So whatever you can want to use, you can use it. Anybody have any doubts?
And those plastics you get anywhere in the market. The locking that type, no, that you get anywhere in the market. You get stationery shops. Any doubt till
Yes.
here?
It's called cable tie. You can get it any electrical shop. Cable tie.
Cable
TIE.
tie.
Yes, yes. Electrical shop mein, yes, you can get it
It's
from
binding
electrical
wire,
shop.
they use it.
Thank you, Michael sir. Michael sir, even that 8 mm, that
So
hardware shop, right?
Yeah, which one?
That
yes, yes, you can also get from hardware shop.
You will get it. But electrical shop, sure, certain.
Okay. Any doubt for anyone till here?
So
You can unmute and ask. Yeah, you can
अभी मैं
proceed.
एक दो जैसे वायर की इयररिंग्स दिखाई थी वो दिखा दूं.
Which one?
See, हाँ
What
एक
type of
one.
wire is it?
This is
type
a
of
German
wire is it?
silver wire. German silver wire.
German silver.
Yes, German silver is, and you can use brass wire. You can use copper wire. Anything.
Okay.
Now I am making one flower rings. From this, you can twist and round like this. See. Like this. You can use for round like one thing. 1 minute. Sorry, 1 minute. I have to left 1 minute.
No problem. Take your time. While she comes back, I hope it is clear for everyone. I hope you all you are able to follow her, because this is something very beautiful.
For making round, I am using any stick. And now cut from the end. So it's look like this. Again, at this end, I am using round, make a round like this. So this ring can adjustable ring. ऐसे यहाँ से anybody can wear. यहाँ से ऐसे. अब इसमें हम फ्लावर ऐड करेंगे. See, this is pollen. इसको सेंटर से, सॉरी, यहाँ से ऐसे और अगेन इसको यहाँ से निकाल के कट कर दिया और यहाँ से ऐसे प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि दिस एंड इज किसी को चुभे नहीं. और वन रोज फ्रॉम, वो भी सेंटर से लिया मैंने इस तरह से. उसको भी अगेन सेम इसी तरह से वायर अंदर से निकालना है और एजेस काट देनी है. So now it's ready, just like this. दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, yes.
Anybody have doubt? Anyone have any question? आप पूछ लीजिए गायत्री जी एक बार.
Any questions, please feel free to ask, because this is something very beautiful.
Miss, from where we can get the wire?
Wire you can get.
You can buy from me.
Ma'am, you
can buy from me also.
You can order from her also. She will send it by courier. And even these plants are also of very different type. You can just request. I will share her number and she will send it by post, which is very beautiful. Nice work. You can see this is what she sent to me. This is a ring she sent to me. It's very beautiful. It is this one.
See, these are my wire work. See, this is a necklace. Like you have to wear like this. See, from wire you can make anything, whatever you want to make a shape, anything. See, this is also necklace. Then wire rings. See, pendants. So whatever you want to make from wire, you can make it. See, this is a bracelets. वायर से आप लाइक फ्लावर ज्वेलरी भी बना सकते हैं, वायर की भी ज्वेलरी बना सकते हैं. मैं आपको एक वायर की ज्वेलरी भी दिखाती हूँ, लाइक इयररिंग्स दिखाती हूँ कैसे करना है. जो राउंड शेप मैंने जैसे रिंग में किया था और पहले फूल की इयररिंग्स में किया था, वो सेम इसी में लाइक दिस. You can shape round and round. See. Now I'm just cutting from here and ऊपर से one more round. इसमें मैंने एकदम पास किया है. फ्लावर रिंग में मैंने खुला रखा था, इसमें मैंने एकदम पास किया है. अब इसमें I am taking another wire. This one is 28 gauge. This very thin. जितने नंबर ज्यादा बढ़ते जाएंगे उतनी वायर की थिकनेस कम होगी. So from here I am just wrapping 3 to 4 times. Now just adding one bead. From here. Again another bead and twisting and third bead. Now and cut the wire and press it by this tool. अगेन ऊपर का भी कट कर देंगे और इसको यहाँ से ऐसे ले जाएंगे. So see they look like earrings this. अब ऊपर का बनाते हैं हुक. See इतना वायर लिया. अगेन यहाँ से एंडिंग से राउंड शेप लेंगे लाइक दिस. यहाँ से लिटिल बिट ट्विस्ट करेंगे लाइक ऐसे और ऊपर से हम मोड़ देंगे और यहाँ की एंडिंग. So the hook is ready. Now I am putting. Look at this. Full earring is full ready. और ये hook. So any doubt इसमें? So you can make also wire jewelry. जब फूल का काम ना हो तो आप वायर से भी कुछ भी बना सकते हैं.
This is so beautiful.
Anybody?
Yeah, this is really beautiful. And what ma'am is telling us, if the number is increasing, so actually she was using 18 gauge. Now when the number is increasing to 28 gauge like that, it becomes more thin. So any
Yes.
doubt in here? Please unmute yourself and feel free to ask.
Excuse me,
Good
Yes.
morning. About this one, the wire, which type of wire exactly? Because in this one electrical shop, they are having different wires. So give me
Yes, this
very good specification about it.
wire has a many types of wires like brass wire, German silver wire, even copper wire. See, look at this. This is polished copper wire, and this
Copper.
one is copper, and this is a 14 gauge. So thickness is very thick, and 28 gauge is like this much of thin. So in wire, you can buy also any color wire also. These are available from US or whatever out of India. Online you can buy.
Madam,
okay.
I have that 18 gauge wire in my house. What Veena ma'am had given, it is in my house. And I have one of her sample jewelry also with me. If you would like to see, you are most welcome to see, because this is what she had made. So this is for hack.
Oh, very beautiful.
Yes, very beautiful. It is her piece. And she had made these earrings also for me. So,
See.
Oh, mashallah. Very
so you
beautiful.
are most
Really,
welcome
very,
to
very
see,
beautiful.
because I have those wires which she's given to me, so you can have a look at it. You will, I mean, you can understand
Yeah,
better.
thank you
I
very
think.
much.
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you very much, madam. Thank you very much.
Welcome. See, look, you can use your brain from wire. Whatever you want to make it, you can make from this wire. And this wire is soft wire. So, मतलब you can bend it like anything shape you want to. जैसे भी आपको मोड़ना है आप कर सकते हो.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Welcome. So now anybody have any question? और मेरा सेशन खत्म. मैंने मतलब जितना था. Anything? Anybody have any question or doubt?
Any question you can ask.
Is wire any Oman available by any chance? Gayatri?
I think you can get it from hardware shop, sir. I got it from Miss Veena only. I will share her. Miss Veena, can I share your number? आपका number share कर दूं?
Yes, sure.
I will share her number. You can
Yes,
get it from
sure.
her also.
Hardware shop, some wires are there, but GI wires are there, but not silver, and maybe copper wire you will get. But GI
Yes,
wire,
German
but,
silver wire you can't get from hardware shop.
yeah. Okay.
In hardware shop you can get only copper wire maybe, but all hardware shop doesn't keep all wires, because there are in wire there are so many gauges, like 14 से लेके 30 number, 30 से 35 number तक के gauge आते हैं. तो आपको पर्टिकुलर वो शॉप ढूंढनी पड़ेगी.
Okay.
I am sharing Miss Veena's number in the chat box. Her WhatsApp number. We'll share in the group also. So my suggestion, first time I suggest you get it from her, because you will come to know the exact what is that flower, because she says it is a paper type of flower. So exactly you will know what is that flower. So first time you can get it from her. Then maybe we can see the typical material. If we can get it here, we can do it here also. So any doubt till here about the jewelry?
Clear for me.
Fine. So today's session is just one session, a very short session. I hope it was useful for everyone. So if no doubts, then can we end the session, today's session? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you everyone. जो जिसने भी आप attend किया है. I don't know speak मतलब fully in English, so I can't express my expression. But thank you all of.
Thank you, Miss Veena. Thanks a lot. And please feel free to get in touch with her if you have any further doubts, or if you want to enhance your knowledge in this more complex jewelries you want to make. you can get in touch with her. She will be very happy to share her knowledge.
Yes, anytime you can ask me any question or by message, I will give you reply anytime.
Yes, ma'am. You were asking something.
Please share your surname. I couldn't get her surname properly. Veena, her name.
Jaradi.
Jaradi.
Yes.
Okay.
Veena
Okay.
Jaradi. Even you
Okay.
can check my Facebook page, Simia Creation, Simia Joel Jaradi करके भी लिखेंगे तो भी मिल जाएगा Facebook, Instagram.
I will share
Okay.
the link. Facebook link I will share. Your page link I will share. You have beautiful jewelries. You will get an idea about this. And this is an excellent activity for our children. This is a beautiful fine motor activity and a lovely creation what they can make. It's quite simple and safe also.
Because I teach you one this round, you can use like many ways. See, even this is a ring. I use this. So only if kids have learned this round, they can make anything like bracelets, rings, earrings. Only this round may be perfect. Kids have make anything.
So thank you so much, Ms. Veena, for your valuable time and sharing your knowledge with us. Thanks a lot. So with this,
Welcome, Gayatri ji.
Thank you. So with this, we
Thank
end
you.
the session, and this link, YouTube link, I will share it in the group today evening. And I will be telling, because our resource person for Wednesday is not well. She met with an accident, so she could not join us. So I will tell what we would be having on Wednesday. I will let you know by today evening. So thank you all so much.
Thank you all. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye. Bye everyone.
Bye.